As the highly anticipated 26th United Nations Climate Change Conference of the Parties is underway in Glasgow, Scotland, a British official has said Britain and China can work together in a green revolution to tackle climate change, and that there are opportunities in every part of every sector. John Edwards, British Trade Commissioner for China, listed a couple of green developments which the two sides can further strengthen cooperation in, including green shipping, technology, infrastructure and energy.
I think when people look at the future of the global economy, there are probably two huge revolutions that are happening. One is a revolution around data. So you have that whole area around machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. And the other revolution is a green revolution. And the two actually overlap to some extent. So when you talk about the green revolution and where we can work together commercially, I think actually there are opportunities in every single part of every single sector. You can have a look at green technologies. You can look therefore at digital technologies that make the use of energy or the use of water more efficient. Areas around renewable energy where I think we are likely to work most closely together are new energy vehicles, where we've just seen Envision come in and announce that they will be building or expanding their battery production facilities in the northeast of the UK, building the UK's first gigafactory alongside Nissan. I think secondly, offshore wind. And China has really very ambitious offshore wind targets now, and the UK has long had, although now I think China's actually overtaken it, the largest installed capacity of offshore wind in the world. And now we are moving into floating offshore wind, which is an area that China is also very interested in, because many of the nearer onshore or close to shore offshore wind sites are now already allocated. So floating offshore wind is a really interesting new technology that we will be working together.